Renewable energy can have a transformative impact on our world, but just how sustainable is it? Renewable energy is energy derived from a source that's able to replenish itself over time, whether that's power derived from air, water, solar, nuclear reactions, or biomass. But not all of these renewable energy sources are equally sustainable. Sustainable energy has been described as energy that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. It needs to be affordable, accessible, replenishable, safe for the environment, and available in the long term. So how do some of our sources of renewable energy shape up? Solar panels have been around for quite some time, and generational leaps have been made in solar cell technology. But manufacturing solar panels can have potentially negative consequences for our environment down the line. Fabricating the panels requires caustic chemicals such as sodium hydroxide and hydrofluoric acid. The process uses water as well as electricity. It also creates waste. The panels themselves require reducing and refining silica to produce high-purity silicon in a process that has a substantial energy and environmental cost. They also require the mining of materials such as silver. And while panels can be recycled, the process is not yet efficient or widespread. Some estimate that by 2050, end-of-life photovoltaics could make up 10% of global e-waste. On the upside, utility-scale solar panel arrays have gotten cheaper and more efficient to construct over the years. As our technology and construction methods continue to improve, new developments in thin-film photovoltaics and advances in materials science could see more sustainable photovoltaics in the future. Wind turbines are widely regarded as one of the most efficient sources of renewable energy. But there are still some hurdles to overcome if they're to be considered fully sustainable. For one, wind turbines are bound by geography. They're best installed in areas with windy climates. Transferring the energy they generate to faraway locations could be a problem. But wind turbines have another major issue. They can generate large amounts of waste. Wind turbine blades are made from glass or carbon fiber reinforced composites, which are extremely difficult to recycle. Built to withstand hurricane force winds, the blades can't be easily cut, crushed, recycled, or repurposed. That's why most used wind turbine blades are sent to landfills. Thankfully, there has been growing interest in finding new ways to recycle the fiberglass blades, as well as a growing interest of initiatives for repurposing old blades into bridges and other structures. Hydropower is the leading source of renewable energy. However, it mostly relies on large dams, which disrupt river ecology, cause deforestation, lead to the loss of aquatic and terrestrial biodiversity, release greenhouse gases, and can displace thousands or even tens of thousands of people. To make river hydropower more sustainable, researchers and innovators are working to develop fish-friendly turbines and dams that generate electricity without disrupting the flow of water. Others are working to harvest tidal energy. Smaller modular dams are also being developed to harvest energy with minimal interference in the local ecosystem. All three renewable energy sources promise a sustainable supply of energy, but we are not ready to completely replace fossil fuels as our primary source of energy. In a world without fossil fuels, renewable energy needs to be much more sustainable. Massive innovations in energy storage, transportation, and capture need to occur if we're to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and keep global warming to agreed-upon levels. By harnessing our innovation, we can accelerate the transition to a sustainable world.